Hola, buenos días. Welcome to la clase de español. Hoy quiero presentar un poco de comida y bebida. That's food and drink. And you can remember those words because comida is comestible, it's food. And bebida is beverage, so that's drink. Comida y bebida. The verbs that we use for these are comer is to eat, beber is to drink, but we can use tomar, which means to take, for comida o bebida. Now, to say I want, you say quiero. Yo quiero. Yo quiero tomar una bebida. Yo quiero tomar un poco de comida. Soy poeta. Those are two useful phrases, so keep them in your back pocket when you're hungry. Yo quiero tomar un poco de comida. When you're thirsty, yo quiero tomar una bebida. Now, tapas are bar snacks. So I'd like to think about a few ejemplos. And when you're having tapas, you have a portion. And the word for portion is a lovely word. It's una ración. So it's a ration. Quiero tomar una ración de olivas, por ejemplo. Pan and queso are bread and cheese. So pan, think of it being made in a pan. I don't know, you don't make bread in a pan. I don't, but but think of it like that and it'll help you remember that pan is bread. And queso is cheese. So I think of it belonging to a woman called Kay, so don't eat it. So queso is cheese. Quiero una ración de pan y queso. O quiero una ración de calamares. Calamares is squid. Now, for me, that's disgusting. So I would say, qué asco, how disgusting. But you might like it, so you might say, quiero una ración de calamares. O de gambas, which are prawns. O de sardinas, which are sardines. I don't need to tell you. Then when it comes to las bebidas, you might like un vaso, which is a cup, or una copa de vino, wine, un copa de vino blanco, or una copa de vino tinto, which is red wine. Or you might like una cerveza. Una cerveza is a beer. But very often in España, they ask for una caña, which is a lager beer, a light beer. Una caña. So that might be a new word for you. You might like that. Una caña. O un café, por ejemplo. Yo pienso que es importante aprender el vocabulario. So while I'm going through this unit, I'm going to give you 7 items of vocabulario relacionado con la bebida o con la comida so that we can build. So let's start today with that. We've got el agua, which is water. Y el agua con gas is sparkling water. Con hielo, lovely word, it means ice. Con hielo, agua con hielo, agua con limón. So that's agua. El azúcar, it's an Arabic word. It sounds like sugar, doesn't it? And that's what it means. Quiero el azúcar. El café, you could have black coffee, which is café solo or café americano. Or coffee with milk is el café con leche. Then you might have los calamares. Los calamares, como dije, are squid. Qué asco. La cerveza is beer, or una copa de cerveza, or una caña, you might ask for. You might ask for una empanadilla. That's a lovely thing. They're really, really good in Peru. I found them really good in Peru and in Brazil, actually. Una empanadilla. It's a pastry, a pasty in Inglaterra. It could be una empanadilla de carne, a meat one, carne mollido, minced meat, minced beef, or una empanadilla de pollo, a chicken pasty, or una empanadilla de queso, delicioso. And then, finalmente, número 7, el jamón. El jamón is ham. Now, pre-cooked ham is jamón de York. Y cured ham is jamón serrano. So, depende on what you like. Depende de lo que te gusta. ¿Sí? Bueno, if you want to desarrollar tu vocabulario un poco más, on Pasos, página 19, you can match vocabulario con los imágenes, and that's a really nice idea because it really helps la memoria. So why not get yourself some cards and put some drawings on one side and the words on the other side. I'll put a link for that in the description. Gracias por mirar mi video. Gracias por estudiar español conmigo. Por favor, subscribe, like the video y nos vemos aquí muy pronto. Hasta la próxima, amigos. Adiós.